This is a review of the Just Try feline grass treats, and the brand did send these to me to have our cat try and let you all know how he likes it. It's got cat grass, it's also got salmon, and then there's it looked like there was some chicken liver and catnip powder. Treat your cat to clean teeth and fresh breath. So we're gonna see if our picky eater is going to like these. Come on. He is a cat that does go in and outdoors, so we have seen him eat some grass, and particularly cat mint. And so he appears to really enjoy these, which is awesome because there's natural catnip and barley, and then it's supposed to help with cleaning their teeth and hairballs. It looks like it's a thumbs up.